What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Nick Go. You already know. And today on Nick's Kicks, I have a new unboxing. This one is coming from Nike. But before we get into it, make sure you guys like, subscribe, the whole shebang. And hope you guys are all doing good during these quarantine times. And I know it kind of sucks. Ours just got extended to May 28th, which is gonna suck. But behind me, kind of want to show you something I got here. So just to show you guys what I got, made a kind of secret display. So we got some Yeezys up there, Sacai box, got my Cause 4s, pretty sick, some off-white bags, Shadow ones, all some of my shoes I have for sale, True Forms, Sacai's, off-white bags are down there, got the Hyperdaps, pretty sick. So yeah, that's my new kind of display. Kind of has some extra time, but yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. So drop some comments down below what you guys think about it, and let's get straight into the unboxing. So let me get you guys back down. All right. So this is a big Nike box. This one is going to be the Nike Air Fear God ones, and I caught these on Nike sneakers. So that is always a plus. Oh, I can't open my box today. Okay, there we go. But right now, this is a huge box. Alright. Let's stand up for this one. Hopefully this box is not damaged. It'll come out good. Alright. Let's get rid of this box. And here we are. So this is the Nike Air Fear God 1. I'll show you guys the tag there. So you guys need any info on these. Size 12, retailing at $350. Really cool box. Nike does a good job with that. It's really cool. I like how the orange pops, but this is the triple black colorway. So yeah, pretty sick. Let's open this thing out. I don't know how you should even start opening it up. So just, yeah, I think it's open all the way up. Alright. So coming out of the box, let's see what we got here. We got, I think this is a dust bag, yeah. Okay. That's actually kind of sick. Air Fear God on that. Let's drop something. It is cool. You guys can't see it since it is triple black, but it's a Nike kind of, I guess, a dust bag for the shoes. I'll call it that. Fold that back up. Alright, next, let's see what we got. Does this require me to tear it open? If it does, we're not. Yeah, we're not going to tear this open. But I already know what's in here. This has a couple of lace locks in it, and it's got a hang tag, so that's kind of cool. It says, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says Air Fear God, pretty sick. Alright, let's get into these shoes. Got orange wrapping paper. Alright, and then we got individually packaged in that same kind of color. Now, do we gotta open these up? No, we don't. We can just carefully pull these out real quick. Ruining the package. Let me see how I can do this properly. Alright, so here's the shoe. These things are sick. So here it is, Nike Air Fear God 1s in a size 12 triple black. It's got that zipper on the side. I'm not going to try to touch anything just because it is DS. Got some pretty nice quality on it. It's got some different materials we got. So we got some suede right here on the toe box. And we got some rubber midsole with a translucent part on the outsole. As you guys can see where the Nike is as translucent. Apparently these are super comfortable, that's what I've heard. And because it's got a full zoom on these, so that's actually sick. Oh, that's cool. Let's see. They give you all white laces, which I don't know why you'd want white laces on these. I don't know, make it pop, but I guess you do have the option. So you got white laces. Put those back. I personally don't know why they just include those, but that's kind of weird. On the back, you got that Nike. Let's see. The focus, it is kind of hard, but it says Nike Air Fear God, which is very sick. This is actually my first pair of Fear God 1s. I've never had these before. I like them personally. I cannot rock these high tops, and especially triple black. I don't look really good in triple black shoes, in my opinion. So yeah, and also this is kind of like a bulky shoe, so I wouldn't be able to pull these off. But it is a very sick shoe. Let's get the other one out. Be careful with the wrapping. Wrapping is actually super on point. Oops, whoopsies. But it's kind of cool. So it comes in this metallic kind of wrap paper, individually wrapped. Like I said, you gotta be kind of careful so you don't rip anything. Alright. Here's the other pair, DS, size 12, like I said. Here it is. Pretty sick. Yeah, this one's got white laces too with it. No bag for it, but yeah. Pretty straightforward shoe, just like all the other Air Fear guys, you can't really tell. But yeah, dope shoe. Package these back up. I'll get to that later. But final thoughts on these. These are pretty cool in my opinion. Put these down, and then I'll pull up something on my phone for you guys for kind of like my post-resale analysis on these. What I'd kind of compare this shoe to is all the other colorways. They start off kind of low price. Here's a good example. The Fear God, I think it's the yellow ones, yeah. Alright. Air Fear Gods in a size 12 right now. These things are going for $14.20 in the yellow colorway. I don't think the camera's gonna pick up on it very well. But yeah, that's the yellow colorway on StockX in a size 12. Last sale was $14.20. Lowest ask is $2,500, which is actually insane for this shoe. Which I feel like it's kind of ugly. The yellow. That's my opinion. I don't really like yellow shoes that kind of pop. I like this kind of subtle colorways, but these started off at, the lowest they were at was about $705, and they went up to that much, and that's in a size 12, which isn't a money size really. So definitely going to be a good hold in my opinion. All the other colorways, they started off low and they will rise eventually. And it is a triple black color, so there is going to be a lot of demand on it as well. So I think you have a ton of potential to profit on these if you do have a pair in hand. I would highly, highly recommend holding for this pair, but it is super sick. Let me know your guys' thoughts on this shoe in the comments below. And yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe, push bang, you already know, and stay safe during these times. Peace.